right, so a friend of mine was telling me that I really should share my process as far as how I come up with ideas for tools that I decide to build. So here we go. I was talking to one of my dad friends, and he's an accountant, and he was talking about how much they use Excel, and I thought an AI that can help with Excel formulas would be super helpful. So I came home later that night and I looked up and saw there are a few different like add-ins and plugins for things like Excel and Google Sheets, but they primarily just connect to ChatGPT, not necessarily with a basis on training or any information on the functions. I thought, okay, well, I'll build this. So step one, Excel functions. In alphabetical order, every one of these is basically just briefly described, and then when you click in, it shows examples and everything that the function does. So I found this and thought, I need this. But there's like over 500 of these. That's a lot of pages. I'm definitely not copy and pasting all that manually. First, I went to Claude, said, hey, I need help building a workflow that's going to basically use Puppeteer to go to every one of these links, copy the name of the function, the type and description, and then click into it, and then take all of that page text and put it in a structured way that can be used as hybrid vector search inside of Supabase. So that's what I did. And ultimately, I ended up on this with a Supabase table with all of the information I needed. Then I wanted to turn this into an Excel add-in. So I had another conversation with Claude and said, hey, this is what I got. And here's the thing. This add-in, what makes it good is I have all of the Excel functions. They're already vectorized. They're already indexed for full text search. It's all in this file. I can take that file and I can put it anywhere. And then I loaded it up in Excel on the web because I do not currently have Microsoft Suite. I'm more of a Google person. But anyway, here is, so I had it give me some dummy data. This is like some invoices information, and then this is some specific product sales information. This is all dummy data. All right, and here it is. It's a little chat panel. So basically I can give it, tell it what I want to do, and it'll give me the Excel formula and where to paste it. So right here, and if I click a cell, it'll even insert it for me. And there is the answer. So if I put it right there, and it tells me I can copy this down, and again, it's just going to give me the formula and tell me where to paste it. What's cool though is the add-in can see all the sheets. And then here I can test it in one window and it'll be able to see the sheets in both. So I'm just going to change this prompt a little bit though, compare the total amounts between, and just change the names to the actual sheet names. And then it's going to look at both sheets, even though this is the active sheet. So it tells me exactly what to do in each sheet in order to facilitate my request. So yeah, it has access to all of the functions. It'll tell you exactly how to use what where. It's a great tool for people who either have no experience in Excel at all, or even people who do. People who use Excel all the time, but maybe they're not sure the easiest or most effective or efficient route to take. I can help right there in a little panel right in the spreadsheet. So anyway, that's how I came up with the idea. That's how I coded the idea. And this is the final product. Let me know if you have any questions or what you think. Cheers.